Find the coordinates of the midpoints of each line segment by counting squares and finding the average of the coordinates. So start by counting squares. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 across and 4 down. So halfway is 4 across, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 2 down, which would put me there at the point 6, 7. For this one, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 across, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 up. So 4 and 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So that will put me there at 0, -2. And finally, this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 across and 2 down. So 3.5, 1, 2, 3.5, and 1 down will put me at 2.5 and -9. So let's do that by averaging the coordinates. So for A, we can see the coordinates there are 2, 9, and B over here is at 10, 5. So for the x coordinates, average them, 2 plus 10 divided by 2, so it's 2 plus 10 divided by 2. For the y coordinates, it will be 9 plus 5 divided by 2. So that's 12 divided by 2, which is 6, and 14 divided by 2, which is 7. Now for the next one, C I can see is at -4, -6. And D is at 4, 2. So the x coordinates are -4, add 4 divided by 2. And the y coordinates -6, add 2 divided by 2. -4 and 4 is 0. 0 divided by 2 is 0. -6 add 2 is -4. Divide that by 2 is -2. And finally here, E is at -1, -8, and F is at 6, -8. So x coordinates are -1, add 6 divided by 2, and then, oh, it's not -8, it's -10. That was a silly mistake. And so we've got -8, add -10 divided by 2. -1 add 6 is 5. 5 divided by 2 is 2.5. -8 add -10 is -18. Divide that by 2 is -9.